Welcome back again, guys, in my channel. So we will pick up our packet here in Press Shop. So samahan niyo ako.
When Dad, we keep in packet siya.
Packet siya.
Banget. Here.
Yun yung packets. House to
Thank
be
you, Al.
anak na guyanda.
Let's pass by here, guys, in the small tiny park. Then I can open this. By the way, guys, we stopped by here in the park because I want to open this kasi sobrang laki and I want to go to Waterloo in my friend's place, and it's by train 1 hour something, and I don't have a huge bag to put this. It's a big box actually, so we will unbox it here in the small park. Then I can throw the box. Uy, it's also big. So this is what I ordered, and cable. Oh, it's not long. So it's still big, guys. We will see, but it's better than this. Look, so I will put it in the rubbish bin. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back again in Cheryl's Belgium channel. So good morning, guys. So we will continue our unboxing today. Late na kasi ako na uwi yesterday, so I don't have time anymore. So now we will unbox this one. As you remember, I picked it up yesterday. This is a gimbal stabilizer. Actually, I have an old gimbal, but I did this one. But I decided to buy a new one because it's not working anymore. And you know why it's not working? I think few months that I did not use it, and the result is now when I'm about to use it, the battery is not working good anymore. So, pag nakastock lang pala yung isang gamit, tapos hindi mo ginamit, for example, not even 1 year, hindi na pala siya gagana. So, wala talaga siyang problema, guys, as in hindi to nabagsak or something, but because I did not use it, the battery become weaker. So, kahit i-charge mo siya and fully charged, tapos ginamit mo, it's not working. Very weak talaga yung battery niya. But then, if you have a charger while using it, and then you charge it, it's still working. But I don't want to do it kasi sobrang ang daming bit-bitin. Example, ginamit mo siya, and then nakahawa ka din sa power bank or something, it's not so convenient. So I bought a new one. It's over here, and I will show you guys. 3-axis siya, 360-degree rotation, USB powered, 3 shooting modes, portrait switch, and meron siyang mini tripod. So I will open it now. Here you go, guys. And the manual, I will read it later. And the charger, USB type. So here you go. Almost the same siya, but this is shorter. This one is a little bit long. And you can adjust also by pulling this up and down like that. Medium. Okay, you see? But this one cannot. But I think I don't mind it anymore. And there is a stand also over here. I prefer sana yung pwede siyang gawing ganito, mahaba. But then, actually, I can return it and change, but it's very troublesome na. Although hindi naman siya mahirap na ibalik tapos palitan, kaso lang maghintay na naman ako ng few days for the replacement. So later i-try ko siya if okay siyang gamitin, hindi masyadong mahirap kagaya dito. Actually with the apps hindi ko pa rin kabisado ang paggamit using the apps and via Bluetooth. So this one I will try kung mas easy siyang gamitin compare the other one. Ayan siya, guys. So charan. So pwede siyang ipasok sa bag kasi hindi adjustable yung ano niya, yung length. And I can remove this too. So I will see later. And then the next one that we will unbox is this one. What is this, guys? Can you guess what is this? Guess. I bought this one for myself because I don't have belt anymore kasi graduate na siya, nasira na. So I tapon it already. So I bought a new one. Ayan siya, guys. And mixed with gray and black color para I can use it in different colors of pants, not only black, blue, and gray. So I can use it kasi alam nyo naman yung black is bagay sa lahat ng kulay. So this is only 49 euro. It's a leather. Ayan siya. I love it. And the last one that we are going to unbox is this one. I also received this yesterday. This is from a Filipino shop. I ordered it online. She can do the delivery, but door-to-door delivery, but because what I ordered is not so much, so I said she can just post it in the post office and it's more easy. I just need to pay the extra delivery. I just need to pay the postal, so I just need to pay extra for sending. And I ordered sinantulan, santol with coconut milk. Actually, first time ko siyang i-try. Kasi I never tried na pwede pala to siya na appetizer. Yan siya. Actually, meron din silang spicy. But I tried the original one. And cream silk. Actually, I ordered sana few. Kaso lang, isa na lang daw natira. Kasi hiyang talaga ako sa ating cream silk, guys. Compare sa cream silk dito sa ibang bansa. And also, Happy, a classic peanut. And of course, the cleanser, facial deep cleanser is Kinol. So that's all for today, guys. Our unboxing ends here. So about the review, I will do maybe a separate video about it later on. So thank you so much for watching. I just want to say thank you to Team Pinoy Kiddo, my YBD family, and to all my supportive teams, Team Pringles, Team Yana in Qatar, as well as Kakampi ni Dong and Ate Bibs UK. And sa lahat, guys, thank you so much. And I will see you in my next vlog. I love you all. God bless. It's time to take shower.